Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add an API key inside Lovable AI. Alright, let's begin. First, open any web browser and go to the official Lovable AI website. Sign in to your account and select the project where you want to add the API key. Once the project loads, you will be redirected to the main project workspace. There are two simple ways to add an API key in Lovable AI. For the first method, look at the top left corner and click on your project name. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings page, navigate to the Connectors tab. Here you will see a list of supported platforms. Choose the platform you want to connect. You will be prompted to sign in to your account for that platform. After signing in, the API authorization will be completed automatically. For the second method, return to the AI prompt chat inside your project. Directly ask the AI to connect with the desired platform. The AI will initiate the connection process for you. Simply sign in to your account when prompted to complete the setup. So that's basically how you can add an API key inside Lovable AI. That's it for this video. Thanks.